What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel, Our Life Journey. If you're new, welcome. My name is Patricia. This is going to be Monday, day one of my third week on this carnivore challenge. I'm so happy. I have lost over 85 pounds on this carnivore journey. So if you guys are interested to see what happened, what I've been through, I have different videos. So definitely check that out. Now today, I'm going to be going to Costco. I have a list here. I need a few things. You know I'm obsessed with pork belly. If you see my previous videos, I love pork belly. So I'm like, you know what? One, I ran out of pork belly. I think I have one left. I need to go grab some stuff. And I thought maybe let's do a video on some essentials. What do you need getting started on carnivore? If you guys have not started yet, one, highly recommend that you do. I mean, 85 pounds, you guys. So, but I'm like, let me show you the basics. Now I have my list, okay? I'm going to go off my list, but while I'm there, I'm going to show you guys get ground beef, ground pork, ground chicken, pork belly, ribs, steaks, eggs, the basics, okay? Let's say $200 to $300 to start off. So this way your first month, you can just get rolling, okay? I have so many recipes for you guys, so please check it out. Pick and choose what you guys like, and then just go for it. The whole thing is just get started. That's gonna be today's video. I wanna show you the basics, the essentials, how to get started, what to look for, what not to look for. There are some ingredients that I'm just like, why? Okay, I will share with you guys in this video. So, let's get straight to it because we got a lot of shopping to do. Let's go shopping. All right, you guys. We have chicken tenderloins. We have chicken thighs. We have boneless or with boned in. We have chicken wings, which actually, I've not seen these in a long time. I might get some wings. Kellen loves wings in his soup. So, and then the prices are not bad, and you get 6. You know what? I think I'm grabbing, do I want? I just remembered I have some chicken wings in my freezer, so I'm gonna skip out on that. Highly recommend you grab some chicken breast. Again, 6-pack. You can do a lot with chicken breast. So I'm realizing they don't have ground chicken, just ground turkey, which you guys know. I always stay away from lean. I get high fat. So we got more organic thighs, drumsticks. Okay, I decided I'm gonna grab me and I'm gonna grind my own chicken. I'm grabbing my pork belly. You guys know it. I'm gonna grab this one. This one looks good. Oh, and it's heavy. You can also grab a chuck roast. It's $63. I mean, this is expensive, but there's a few pieces. You can make soup, but there's like a variety here. Have your choice of meat. Tri-tip is also very, very good. We got the ribeye, which is one of my favorites. $57 though. Ooh, I don't know. We got ribs, but I'm gonna show you the ones that I get. You can grab these and then season it yourself, but oh, this is the beef loin tenderloin. Oopsie. Wow. The ribeyes are a bit on the expensive side. I've actually found cheaper at Fry's, but I mean, you guys have to pick and choose where you guys want to grab your meats from. Something like this is also good. You have the beef for the beef stew. You can make your own little stews with it or just cook it on a pan. I just found this chicken sausage Parmesan cracked black pepper. $12.99, but look how clean the ingredients are. I'm so surprised. And there's only 1 gram of carbohydrates, 0 sugar. It's in the pork casing, but everything is so clean. I'm grabbing one. I gotta test this out. Chicken sausage. There are different varieties, but you need to check the ingredients. So we got the brats, but let's check out the ingredients. Let's see here. Okay. Pork water, less than 2% of the following: dextrose, sugar, salt, vinegar powder. Dextrose and the sugar and natural flavors. Don't like it. But you guys do you. These are the best hot dogs or Polish sausage. This one, hold up. All clean ingredients. You guys have seen me buy this before. I'm grabbing me one. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I did. Is it? Green Ridge. These are the best beef sticks. Super clean. Highly recommend. I can't believe that I just found it up there. Win-win. So this, for instance, this is not bad on the price. The ingredients look super clean. The only thing I saw was the cane sugar, but this is in the cherry powder. But everything else good. 2 grams, 1 fiber, so that's 1 net. I recommend this one too, but I want the other one, so I'm gonna skip out on this. But for next time, maybe. Now I will say I have had burnt ends in the pulled pork, and I do not recommend. I don't know. This one was very, very sweet. This one had a very funky odor. The texture was way off. So, I mean, no. I just came across this, and I have had recommendations for the honey smoked, the sockeye. It's $16.69. Honey smoked salmon. Sorry, not sockeye. So, when I looked at the ingredients, the only thing is the honey, but it doesn't have any carbohydrates, no added sugars. So I actually might try this. It's smoked and it looks amazing. So, okay, I'm gonna give this a try. There's also this one, a little bit more expensive, but ingredients are also super clean. You guys, I might grab this one. It comes with 2. The other one has honey, so I think I'm gonna skip out on this one this time. When I get on Ketovore, I'm definitely grabbing me some kimchi. I miss this. But I'm gonna hold off for the challenge. Everything else is a big no-no. So these are the ribs that we get. I don't like those. Has too many no ingredients. These are my favorite ingredients. Now it says 2% or less of the sugar, but everything else I like. So these are our favorites. We always grab, but I have quite a lot in my freezer, so I'm gonna skip out for today. These are the eggs that I get, $7.49. I'm gonna grab 2, or at least attempt to. 1. I also grabbed me some toilet paper and Callan's A2 whole milk. He loves that. This is what I got so far. I also grabbed this. It's the salted butter, grass-fed. There was too many people, so I just grabbed one and left, but this is the butter that I'm grabbing. These are the beef burgers that I get. $29.49, but they're so good. Grass-fed, grass-finished. Okay, let's see if I can grab. Okay, grabbing the top one. And they're 1/3 pound. There is quite a variety of seafood. They are a little bit on the pricey, so you guys need to see which ones you like. I did grab these, the red shrimp, the Argentine. Those are very good. $21.99. There's different varieties. As for the bacon, it's always like a hit or miss because I find them cured in sugar or in dextrose or other things. So I like mine from fries. But if you guys really enjoy something or you like the flavor, just pick and choose. Again, not everything is perfect, but this is what I do. I like to stay as clean as possible. And that goes also for the hot dogs, which there's a lot of other ingredients in there that I don't like. That's why my favorite is this one. Highly recommend that you guys get blocks of cheese instead of the shredded, because there are some other ingredients I don't like. Again, I always look at the ingredients, you guys, but for the price, excellent. It's actually cheaper than fries, but I already got two because they were on sale. But you can get sour cream, yogurt, Philadelphia cream cheese. But again, we are doing the low dairy challenge, but Costco, absolutely. Plus we have the Perrier San Pellegrino, which I love, but I already have some. I'm also gonna grab a instant coffee. Sometimes I have my one shot in the morning, but sometimes I need an extra, so instant coffee. Y'all know I am a dirty carnivore, so I love my seasonings. I love going down this aisle and just looking at everything. But here is where I got the Black Magic. Now, if you are at a Costco that maybe doesn't have the Black Magic, I do have a link down below, so check it out. You guys, I went down the whole aisle and I cannot find it. I think they're either out of stock or it was a seasonal thing, because I don't see it. Hold up, is this it? No, that's the chicken seasoning, which it was right next to it before. Oh wow, they're out. Okay, link down below, you guys. That's it. That's all I'm grabbing, just the essentials. And I grabbed some pants for Callan. All right, you guys, I am back home. 1, super hot and sticky outside. 2, it was crazy at Costco. From Monday to be so crazy, but hey, I got everything off my list, plus some. So, I mean, I got detergent, I got toilet paper, I got Callan like 2 pants. So, I'm not gonna tell you the grand total because I want to tell you how much the food was. Now, I did mention $200 to $300 your first start, get on carnivore. Well, mine was $195, so I round up. It was like 194.80 something. So $195, under $200, and this is going to last a long time. Now, I do have other stuff that I'm going to rotate, but for the things that I bought, I can use a lot of it. So let me show you what I got for $195. So my 2 eggs. Now these come 24 eggs in a case, and I got 2 of them. Oh, black seasoning. I could not find it, so I will have a link for it down below. I want to try this. It's the smoked sockeye salmon. I didn't eat anything today, so this is going to be my first. It comes in a 2-pack, which I love. 1 pack of my pork belly. Love these. I portioned it out, so I'll do like 3 in 1. So it's got 2 layers. I got Callan his A2 organic whole milk. He loves this milk. Now I did get the grass-fed butter. This is salted. I gotta test it out. I got the other Kerrygold, but got this one. This is new. Parmesan and cracked black pepper. The ingredients are super good, and I never had chicken sausage, so I'm gonna give this a try. But my absolute favorite hot dog Polish sausage is this one. Love it, and it comes in, it's got 3 separate. My instant coffee for when I want another cup and I don't want to use my machine. The 100% grass-fed beef patties, these are amazing, and you get a lot of them. And then I got my chicken breast. This comes in a 6-pack. Now I do have some chicken breast that I just got from Fry's, but I didn't find any ground chicken, so I'm going to take my machine and I will do it by myself. So this is what I got, you guys, for $195. 2 eggs, salmon, which I got the milk, pork belly, chicken sausage, butter, hot dogs, coffee, this huge thing of chicken, and then this large bag of burgers. So I think for $195, this is awesome to get started. Now, these are the kind of things that I go for because, like I mentioned, I still have like meats and other things in the freezer. I wanted to try that new chicken sausage, which was not on my list. What else? The hot dogs were not on my list. The salmon was not on my list. Kellen's whole milk was not on my list. So, I mean, I went with, I think, 5 or 6 things on my list. And again, don't go hungry. If you're gonna go to Costco, do not go hungry. That's all I'm saying. But yes, this is kind of the things that I look for. Like I mentioned while at Costco, I showed you guys some items that you probably think, oh wow, this looks really good. Always check the ingredients. Now, me personally, I'm not eating with dextrose or sugar or nitrate, okay? So there are certain things that I'm going to skip out on while I'm on this carnivore journey because I want my body to stay as clean as possible. And you guys, my body feels it when I eat something outside. So, but you guys use your own judgment. If you really like something, you got bacon, it's got nitrate, it's got sugar, it's got whatever. I mean, that's your journey. You do what you think is best for you. This is my journey. This is what I have done. I'm just sharing with you guys my journey and what I have done to lose over 85 pounds. So if you guys have any questions for me, you know what to do. Leave a comment down below. And if you guys like these kind of videos, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't done already, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell for notification. But till my next video, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.